To use DeFi Love Uniswap Simulator, click the Uniswap V3 Simulator. This tool allows you to simulate providing liquidity and swapping tokens on Uniswap without actually using real funds. Then click Provide Liquidity and it will redirect you to another page of Uniswap. You'll need to select a token pair. Just click on the drop-down menu on the choose the token pair you want to simulate. For example, WET and USDC. You can also set your price range. You can also provide liquidity. In this position page, you can view and manage all of your liquidity positions. And if you notice the plus new position button, this button takes you to a form or wizard where you can set up a new liquidity position. This is the main page of Uniswap that includes graph, typically refers to Uniswap trading interface. Here you can view token prices, liquidity pool details, and perform swaps. This is the overview of the Uniswap page. And that's it. That's how you use DeFi Lab Uniswap Simulator. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.